Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to delete continue watching in Netflix, or how to remove any title from continue watching list on your Netflix account. Let's do this. So we have to open the Netflix app. After that, scroll down a little bit until you find continue watching and you will find the name of your profile. You have just to click on the three dots below that TV show or movie, like that, and click on remove from row. Click remove again, and it's removed. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.